Hello everyone! Today, we're going on a fantastic adventure in the world of fruits and vegetables. We'll meet some wonderful characters who will teach us about the importance of staying healthy and active. Hi kids! I am the apple, and I am here to help you stay healthy and strong. Did you know that eating apple can give you lots of energy? That's right! Hello, we're the grapes, and we're full of vitamins and good for your heart. Let's do a grapevine dance together. Hi kids, we're the bananas, and we give you lots of energy. Let's practice balancing like a banana. Remember, bananas are a great snack before any activity. Hello, we're the oranges, and we're full of vitamin C to keep you healthy. Let's do some fun juggling exercises. Juggling helps with hand-eye coordination and is lots of fun. Hello, we're the tomatoes, and we help keep your heart healthy. Let's do some twisting exercises together. Twisting helps keep your body flexible. Great job, everyone! Hello, we're the carrots, and we're good for your eyes and skin. Let's do hopping exercises like us. Hi kids, we're the peas, and we help keep you full of energy. Let's do some rolling exercises like peas. Rolling around is fun and keeps you moving. Joining our adventure in the garden of good health. See you next time.